Jenna, what you making?
Cherry cobbler.
Cherry cobbler. Looking for some hot stuff.
So, Donna, you always start off by heating up the butter first?
Not always.
Probably smart though.
So it's better, and now you're putting in the
Cherry.
and they just get spread around on the bottom.
And
And
it-
then
So that doesn't cherry too thick.
so that can be any fruit.
Yeah. This is really called a dump cake, but I call it cobbler. It's really a dump cake, but I call it cobbler.
What are you putting in now?
This is cake mix.
Just white cake.
What do y'all do?
White, yellow, or
What do y'all do?
I just eat it.
My husband used to make it all the time.
Jenna, is it white or yellow cake?
white,
White cake
That was
mix.
yellow.
yellow. It doesn't matter.
Oh, with
Whatever
yellow?
kind.
Oh, it looked white.
If you use apples, you can use a cinnamon.
I could
Oh, yeah, that would be good, huh?
Yeah.
What was that?
If you
If
use,
you used apples, you could use a cinnamon cake mix.
that'd be really good.
That'd be really
Or
good.
peaches would be good with the cinnamon.
Yeah.
Oh, cinnamon's
Okay.
going in it.
I have cinnamon if you need some.
I got
I
some.
bet you could use a spice cake mix too.
I got a jar
Use
that's
any
this
kind of cake
big.
you want.
I got a jar of cinnamon, honest to God, that's this big, and
You
I
went
have
to
another
Costco?
one back at the camp.
I love cinnamon.
I'm not giving cinnamon up for anything. I put it in almost everything. I just really like cinnamon,
Me
and
too.
it's good for you.
Well, good.
It's supposed to be good for lowering your blood sugar.
Yep.
I take cinnamon supplements every morning.
So do I. Yep.
It is actually better just to eat the cinnamon though.
Which I also do.
Yeah.
Well,
But
the
not like
supplement is powdered cinnamon in a
Don't
capsule.
try to eat it with a spoon,
No.
guys, okay?
No, you can actually choke it up if you do that.
Yeah, the supplement, all it is
It's just cinnamon.
yeah.
Okay, well, what about
Really,
cinnamon sticks? Can you gnaw on them?
I would imagine so.
Okay, so Betsy says yes. You can gnaw on cinnamon sticks. Okay. Now what are you doing, Jenna?
Stop throwing
A
away
whole
that
thing
butter.
of butter.
A whole stick of butter?
Yep.
Oh, the cinnamon sticks are okay. It's the small particles of the cinnamon that is the problem.
You know. Is that cinnamon?
Cinnamon.
That's as good as seeing the actual video.
That cinnamon smells good.
It is really cute.
No, story.
I know what they're doing.
They're sitting
So-
in their boxes watching.
So the only liquid there is butter.
Yes.
So we got butter on the bottom. We got cherries. We got cake mix. We got more butter and cinnamon. Did I miss anything?
Correct. No.
And then the coals are very important.
Yes.
They go like the oven.
Okay, when you were talking the last time, you were saying something about there's a recipe for bread or something where you use 24 coals. When you're using firewood, how do you convert that from coals to firewood?
Like about the same size as
Okay.
the charcoal.
All right.
That's good to know.
Okay.
And then
Good
this is really you're just warming it up, melting the butter, and the cake mix will
Absorb the butter.
it'll absorb the butter and kind of crisp.
That's really neat.
Jana, is this another thing that we can all buy at any store? Or, I mean, that particular
Dutch
pan
oven.
with that lid?
Yeah, that is a 10-inch Dutch oven. You can get them at Walmart.
And Costco.
Yeah,
And the legs are important, right?
the legs are important for this type of cooking.
Yes.
And they all come through.
Is this the unveiling? Woo!
It cooks pretty fast.
How did you know it was done?
You can smell it.
And she's a professional.
Yay, Jenna!
Oh, that smells wonderful.
Oh, wait, yes, you can do this at home.
You can do this at home.
Or in the wild.